Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right into how you can create your own user-defined emojis in Slack. It's a fun and unique way to add personality to your Slack workspace. First up, let's make sure you're on the right page. Navigate to the Slack workspace where you want to add the emoji. Now, why is this our first step? It's simple. Emojis are workspace specific, so you need to be in the right place to get started. Next, click on your name in the top left corner and select Customize Slack from the drop-down menu. This is where Slack allows you to customize your workspace, including adding your own emojis. Now, you'll see the Customize Your Workspace page. Here, you want to click on the Add Custom Emoji button. This is the magic button that allows you to upload your own images and turn them into emojis. In the pop-up window, click on Upload Image and select the image you want to turn into an emoji from your computer. Make sure the image is square and under 128 kilos. The reason we do this is to ensure the emoji displays correctly in Slack. Now you need to give your emoji a name in the Give It a Name field. This is how you'll summon your emoji in messages. Remember to keep it short, memorable, and avoid using spaces or special characters. And voila! You've now created your own user-defined emoji in Slack. Just click Save, and your emoji will be available for use in your workspace. This helps us because it adds a touch of personal flair and can make communication more fun and engaging. So that's it. You are now a master of creating user-defined emojis in Slack. Remember, emojis can be a great way to express yourself and make your messages stand out. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.